When you stand on the beach and look out at the ocean, you're actually looking at a sea of microbial life. Every teaspoon of this ocean water contains millions of microbes that drive some of our planet's most fundamental processes, like the marine carbon cycle. So I'm a chemist by training, and I first fell in love with the microbial world through the incredible diversity of chemistry they produce. Microbes are very talented synthetic organic chemists, and we've barely scratched the surface of their elaborate chemical repertoire. There's a lot of interest in continuing to explore and map this chemistry, especially for drug discovery, since these marine microbes have provided us with some of our newest antibiotics and anti-cancer drugs. My research focuses on the ecology of these microbial communities. Why do they produce the chemicals that they do? What are these chemicals doing in the environment? Here at WICO, I am taking a break from the lab and looking towards the literature. I'm exploring the ways we define the environmental function and impact of these chemicals in order to propose an organizational framework for this vast diversity of microbes and their chemistry in the environment.